Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ronice.Chantal, and welcome to 13 days of CRAFTMAS. So excited. So what I will be bringing you guys is 13 days of DIY projects daily for 13 days before Christmas. Just a great way to add to your wardrobe, festive parties. Why not add a little spunk to your flavor for the Christmas spirit? So that's what we're going to be doing today as the first day of CRAFTMAS, 13 days of CRAFTMAS. I'm so excited. I couldn't do Vlogmas. Next year I'm going to try. So I'm bringing you guys 13 days of DIY fun projects. It's going to be from earrings, socks, everything. So be sure to stick around, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you guys will know when I will upload. So let's dive in on what materials you will need to start this project. Here's what you'll need for this project. Sublimation blank earrings. You can find these online or at any craft store. I got mine from Hobby Lobby for $3.29. It's a set of 6. Very cute, dangly. You'll need a sublimation printer with sublimation ink in it. I'm using the Epson EcoTank ET2400, which I've converted into sublimation. Next, you'll need sublimation paper, which I have right here. Sublimation paper. These came with some tumblers that I bought because I did not go to the store yet to get any sublimation paper, so there's that. Next, you'll need a heat press or Cricut Easy Press. I'm going to use my Cricut Easy Press just for today's video. Next, you'll need a heat resistance tape. I got mine off of Amazon, as well as the dispenser. Next, you'll need scissors or any wire tool because you'll need to take off the metal part on these earrings. So scissors or a wire tool. I got this from my garage, courtesy of hubby. So got that there. And then next, a lint roller. So you want to make sure your surface is clean before you put your image on there. So have this handy. And of course, your favorite Christmas designs. So we got everything. Great. Let's get started. Now we are in Creative Fabrica. I'm going to search up some earring sublimation for Christmas. As you can see, we got all these choices for earrings. I like to search like this because it makes it the right size, and it's a lot more designs to choose from. So you just find which one you want to use. We're going to click this bundle, the Christmas Sublimation Earring Bundle. I like that. It's so cute. We're going to hit download. Then your download should pop up if you're on a Mac on the top right. You're going to click that folder. It's going to come in a zip file, so you want to double tap that. I drag mine to my desktop. And then we're going to open up Canva and upload those images through there. I'm going to do an 8.5 by 11 size paper because that's what we're going to be printing on. Alright, so now we're going to go to uploads, go to upload files, find that bundle you just downloaded. I chose 2 designs from here. Do that one and that one. Select open. Oh no, I picked three designs. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. We're gonna go ahead and drag that, and the size I made for these was 1.5. You want to have a little bit of room So the width will be 1.5 and the length would, I think it is going to show 1.5 by 2.2. So we're going to drag that up there, and then we're going to duplicate it and do the same for the other ones. Got a nice gnome coffee dessert style earring. Again, we're going to size that down to 1.5. Then we're going to duplicate that, drag it over. And for the last one, we're going to do the same thing. All right, duplicate that, slide it over. Now we're ready to print. All right, so now we're ready to download. We're going to go to Share, Download. Then we're going to do PDF Print. Then we're going to download it. All right, we'll wait till that's done loading. Go to the folder. It's going to be on the top right. All right, so then you're going to hit the print button. Make sure you select your printer with the Sublimation ink in it. Mine is going to be the Epson ET2400. Then we're going to go to the print using system dialog. And I selected my preset already. I have a separate video on how to create this. I'll be sure to link it. So then my preset's already set for how I want it to print. So now we're gonna get ready to print. All right, you guys, so we are back. And the next part, we are going to prep the earrings to prepare them for sublimation. So this one's from Hobby Lobby. It says for instructions, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says to remove the wire from the earring. Hopefully I can get a close-up for you guys for that. Yeah, remove ear wire before sublimating. So that's what we're going to do. And then next we're going to lint roll it and make sure it's all clean. And also, I forgot to mention, I did waste some sublimation paper, but do not do like I did. There's a front and back. So try to do 4 of each image so you can get the front and back, so when it swings around you don't have a blankets, you know, covered with both images. So don't waste paper like I did. Go ahead and fill this paper up, and you might want to do it smaller than 1.5. I think these are a little bit too big, but it's good to have more than less, so, or be safe than sorry. So I'm going to prep these earrings. Go ahead and remove the wire from the Hobby Lobby earrings. I don't know if all earrings are like that, but make sure you read the instructions and follow them. So let's do that. These are so cute. Yeah, I guess these are sublimation ready. There's nothing to peel off, so let's go and remove the wire. Pull this back. And there, we got it. Alright, as you can see, I got all the wire pieces separated from the earrings, like like that, and we're gonna go ahead and lint roll it, get it all cleaned up and ready, and then tape the images onto the earrings. So be right back. All right, you guys, so we are now ready to press. My heat press is at 355 for 40 seconds. So I got my parchment paper below it, and I'm gonna put some on top of it just to make sure it doesn't ruin my Cricut press and my mat. So just take an extra precaution. All right, so we're gonna grab our heat press and just firmly press it for the whole 40 seconds. Hit that C button and let it go. We're gonna push down a little bit. All right. Let's see what we got here. It might be hot, so I'm gonna grab my heat gloves just to make sure. Are you guys excited? Oh my gosh. This is my first time doing earrings. I'm so excited. This is always my favorite part, is seeing the reveal. So, I'm gonna look at it first. No peeking. Okay, they're not that hot, so I'm just gonna use one glove to take the tape off. Oh my god, you guys, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You guys ready? Ooh, it's a little snowman. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. OMG. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. Woo! We did it. So let's look at the other one. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so good. Oh, this is perfect. So we got both our earrings on one side sublimating. Trying to hold this right for you guys. Both of our earrings are sublimated, ready to wear. Why is it so blurry? Okay. Look at that, you guys. That looks so good. So we're gonna do the other side, and I'll call you guys back in a bit. All right, and finally, we're going to attach the wire back onto the earrings to complete your project.
Tree, oh Christmas tree,
Thanks for crafting with me. If you guys try this out, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Christmas inspiration. Happy holidays and happy crafting!